Good morning, dear student. Class 7. Today I will start chapter 3, that is creating chart in MS Excel. Now we will learn today creating chart in MS Excel. First of all, we will know about what is the chart. Chart क्या है? सबसे पहले ये जानेंगे हम लोग. Chart is a generally display your information in form of graphics. Chart are used to display your data in form of graphic. Chart is used to display series of number data graphically. Charts are an important tool to represent data visually. That means it is used to display your data visual manner. Now we will learn type of charts. How many type of chart we will discuss? There are different chart type in Excel discussed in this lesson. To understand it, it have to some data Excel to create chart different type. सबसे पहले कॉलम चार्ट. Column chart is a chart that are generally used to compare your data value. Column chart are used to show comparison between item. Data is represented by vertically bar and x-axis category horizontally. Next, line chart. Line chart is a type of chart that is created by series of points connected together with a line. In order to know the UPS and down during the regular interval of time, it is used to regular interval of time. जैसे टाइमिंग हम लोग दे देते हैं कि इतने टाइम में ये हुआ, इतने टाइम में ये हुआ. It will be also show time period of the chart. That is called line chart. कॉलम चार्ट में जैसे हम लोगों ने देखा डेटा वैल्यू को कंपेयर करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. लाइन चार्ट इज आल्सो यूज्ड टू कंपेयर विथ हेल्प ऑफ द सीरीज ऑफ टाइम इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. नेक्स्ट इज बार चार्ट. थर्ड इज बार चार्ट. Bar chart are used to chart that is used to compare value for some distinct group. कई सारे ग्रुप्स के वैल्यू को कंपेयर करने के लिए चार्ट्स यूज करते हैं हम लोग. दैट इज यूज द बार चार्ट. दिस चार्ट रिप्रेजेंट बाय द रेक्टेंगुलर बार. दिस बार कैन बी प्लॉटेड आइदर हॉरिजॉन्टली और वर्टिकली. फिगर आर शोन इन योर बुक. बार चार्ट. नेक्स्ट इट इज पाई चार्ट. Pie chart are used to display single series of data. Pie chart only a single data series. It is a circular data divided into slice which show the relationship between the parts and whole things. The slice can be represented using the different color for easy understand. Area chart. Area chart is a type of chart and this is very similar to line chart with the only difference that the fields and area below the lines. The field area can be represented within the different color. Next, it is radar chart. Radar chart, also known as spider chart or star chart, because of the appearance. Plot of value of the each category along the separated axis. The star in the center of the chart. Outer ring are way of comparing multiple computable variable. Next, it is XY chart. Next, XY. It is also called XY scatter chart. Scatter chart. XY scatter chart are used to display your value x-axis and y-axis. Display data points show relationship between two sets of value. These charts mainly used for large number of data points to demonstrate average changes. These are some important charts, and some also charts are available as like stock chart. The stock chart, stock 687. Stock chart is a basically used for show the fluctuation highs and low of the stock pieces, as like storehouse hold the stocks and there are used to compare value high value low value, कौन से मटेरियल हम लोग के पास सफिशिएंट स्टॉक में है, कौन से स्टॉक वैल्यू हम लोग के स्टॉक में कम है, उसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा स्टॉक चार्ट. थ्रू दिस स्टॉक चार्ट वी आर यूज टू मेंटेन स्टॉक. सरफेस चार्ट. नेक्स्ट इट इज सरफेस चार्ट. Surface chart is used to display three-dimensional surface that join a set of data points. It is used to join set of data charts. Next topic is components of chart. Now we will learn about component of chart in the next video. Students, just we are studying about chart. In this chapter, what is chart? First of all, chart is a graphically representation of your data. ये डेटा को graphically way में represent करता है, that are easy to understand and learn. And there are different chart types are available here, and all the types have shown the different value of chart, and we can use this chart in different situations as like this. But mainly there are some chart are useful for us as like column chart, line chart, pie chart. These are important charts that are usually used. Students, next the component of chart we will discuss in the next video. Thanks all of you.